Dr. Neil, kung hindi po pala siya cause of concern, bakit po nagkaroon ng back-outan dun sa situation nila Bea at Dominic? And the reason for that is because pag wala po kasing prenuptial agreement, yung mag-govern po, like what I have earlier discussed, is what we call the absolute community of property under the family code. So, ibig sabihin po nun sa ACP, lahat po ng ari-arian, kayamanan, properties mo as an individual, pag magpakasal ka na sa partner mo, will form part of the absolute community. Same din po yun sa magiging asawa mo. In short, yung ari-arian yung dalawa, magiging combined and it will form part nga po ng ACP ninyo. So lahat po ng profits na ma-generate nun, lahat po ng ari-arian na ma-acquire nyo during your marriage will also form part of that common property. And the consequence po nun is that you will be co-owners of all your properties now as a married couple. So imagine nyo na lang po if one of the parties in the marriage is a billionaire tapos yung isa sakto-sakto lang yung kayamanan. So sa ganong situation po, I think it is safe to assume that eventually in their married life,